Welcome back. This tutorial is for all the things that you can do from the header options. Here you have 4 header types. If you click on it, you can see the changes right away on the mobile screen. The first option is simple header with a burger menu. There is no home icon, instead you have the menu icon in the right corner. Here, click on the menu icon, and that opens the menu, so that you can view all the pages that you have in the header. The second option is simple header with a burger menu and home page. Now you have a home icon in the left corner, or any other page which is first on the list of pages. The third option is multiple icons and burger menu with no titles. Here you have 4 pages that include icons and the menu icon. Just to be clear, if you have 10 pages, only 4 appear in the menu, and all of them appear in the menu overlay. If you want a page to be hidden, you can use the hide/show button with an eye icon. If you click this button, the page will disappear from the menu overlay. The fourth option is multiple icons and burger menu with titles. Here you have a title as well under the menu icon. This is all you have to know about header options. In the next tutorial, let's go to the footer options.